Hi babes, welcome. In continuation of the African hairstyles that are trending on TikTok now, we are going to revisit this hairstyle. So it is cute, it can be styled several ways. To add volume to the hair, we used Brazilian wool, and then you need kinky hair. So you can use kinky hair all through the hair, but just because kinky hair is more expensive, we used Brazilian wool for the length and volume, since it will not be showing and it is also lightweight. If your hair is longer than what you want to make, fold it like this. So if you want the hairstyle to be longer than your natural, if your natural hair is longer than the length of the hair you want to make, after braiding your hair, you use a latch hook to fold it back onto itself. We added the Brazilian wool for volume using a crochet, and now it is time to wrap with a kinky hair extension. So you wrap several times down the base just to make it secured, and then you can start wrapping around the Brazilian wool and the natural hair. So the tightness you use in wrapping the hair is going to affect how stiff the hair is and the look. Actually, the tighter you make kinky hair extension while wrapping it, it looks more like a regular braiding hair. But if you allow the volume to be loosed, the coils are going to be showing, so it's going to look a little bit more frizzy but more natural and more worn kind of. So when you get to the length you want it to stop, you make a knot. So you do not need to cut these, you can just use the excess Brazilian wool to add volume to the bottom, or you can cut it off and start tying the kinky hair extension like this. Every single time, pay attention to the length. If you're not careful, just one cycle of tying can reduce the length remarkably. So be careful about the length you want to maintain as you tie and tie and tie. And let's do this one. Because my front hair is kind of thin, we didn't want to use like a latch hook to pull the Brazilian wool under my braided hair, because it's going to be difficult to pass through. So to reduce pain, and if your hair is fragile, this method is better. We part the hair, place the Brazilian wool, and you can now proceed to braid the natural hair. This is just the same thing as using a latch hook to pull the Brazilian wool through your braid after braiding just your natural hair like this. Do you see? So this one is less painful and safer for the hair, but it takes more time, I think. This is how to reduce the length of your natural hair. Just fold it back, latch it onto itself to reduce the length. In case you have very long hair and you want to make the short version of this hair, that is the way to go about it. So this time around, instead of cutting the Brazilian wool, we knotted it to add to the volume already, and then it is time to wrap. When wrapping, make sure the smaller piece you hold on your hand is up to the length of the hair, and then you wrap. When you get to the where you want the length, when the length is okay, make a knot. That knot should be tight and secured so that it doesn't come off. And after that, we are going to tie the Afro ball. There's another technique I use in making Afro ball that is more, it looks finer and more even, but this one lasts longer. So that one, I'm going to tag the video at the end of this one. So using that technique, it's going to give you a more even Afro ball, and it looks finer, but it does not have weight because we are making knots inside this one. That other one, you just fold it on itself, so it's more fluffy and beautiful, but this one will last more. So that's basically the technique. And if you're interested in the Koroba tribal braids, tribal hairstyle, I have a video on it already. You can watch and try it out. I'm going to make another video comparing 3 different techniques I have seen to make the Koroba hairstyle, because the first time you're making it, it is just annoying to roll the braid on itself, but I have three different techniques you can use. I'll make a video about that, so subscribe so that you'll be notified when I do that. This is how it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.